Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a new Dollar Tree haul and Burlington Coat Factory. So first, let's start with Dollar Tree. The very first thing I picked up at the Dollar Tree is another bag of cotton balls. I use these all the time when I use toners and my astringents and different things. So I got that for that. Then I picked up another box of Brillo pads for the pots and pans. It's always good to have these on hand. And you get 10 in a box, so these are good for your dishes. And then I found this at the Dollar Tree. This is a Wet n Wild product. And it looks like a cute little chicken with eyes and the little lips. And I believe it's a glittered lip gloss. And it looks like a little chicken. And these are cute for like young girls and little teenagers if you want to throw this in their little Easter basket. But I don't know. It's just something told me to pick it up. Even though I don't need it. I just thought the packaging was cute. It's a cute little chicken winking her little eye at you. So that's from Wet n Wild, which is kind of funny. I've never seen that before. Then I found this nice cute bag over there. This was the only one they had left. It's gold at the bottom. And it says gorgeous. And then it's cute. So these are like makeup bags, but I like to use these as wallets. Like to put a whole lot of money in and stuff like that. I like those. And then I picked up one of these Glades Air Fresheners. I think this is a Hawaiian one. Yeah, this is a Hawaiian scent one. And then I picked up this Glade one. This is, I believe, clean linen. So these are good for small spaces in your bathrooms and stuff like that. And then I picked up this LA Colors face primer. And then also I picked up this Renews It After the Rain. I love the smell of this one. Love it, love it, love it. This has been around for a long time, that scent. This is After the Rain. It's really good. I like that scent. And then also I picked up at LA Colors, my favorite of all times, my black liquid eyeliner. Love this stuff. I wear it all the time. Love it, love it. I love it because when you have to wash it off, it just peels right off like rubber. It doesn't irritate, you know, like anything. It's just a really good eyeliner. And it's bold and black, just like the packaging. Then I found this over there. This is from Hard Candy. And this is, it says All Day Wear Combat Pores. So this is a primer serum from Hard Candy. Primer serum. Never saw that one. So I grabbed that. That's a new product there. Then I picked up another Renews It. This is the, another Glade. And this is the lemon, fresh lemon. So like I said, these are good for the bathrooms. I got them for the bathrooms. I also picked up 2 of these clear tapes because I'm shipping off some boxes to my daughter and I need some extra tapes. And these are also good for putting up lights and things in your window, decorations and stuff like that. I picked up 2 of these, the Colonia, I can't even speak today. Colonna, whatever you pronounce it. Parmesan real grated cheese. This is real cheese. They have these in your supermarket. So that's a name brand, but it's in a smaller bottle. So every time I'm at Dollar Tree, I like to pick them up. And then I got another one of these, the charcoal bubble face mask. And then also at Dollar Tree, I picked up another seaweed and eucalyptus mask. That's from Bolero. And then I picked up this one. This is a charcoal and green tea mask. I got this Grill Mates as a marinade for your food or whatever. Basil balsamic. So I think that's a marinade or it's a dressing, something like that. And then I grabbed another, like I said, I have 2 of these tapes. I picked up one more of these masks. This is strawberry and vitamin C. Then I spotted this over there. This is a light blush. And this is from Wet n Wild. And it does have some sparkles in it. I love glitter. So that's pretty. Here's the other sprinkled cheese that I picked up. And then I saw this over there. This is the color correcting primer. And this wasn't in the package. This is just sold by itself. This is from Hard Candy. This is the color correcting primer. So I picked that up at Dollar Tree. And then also at Dollar Tree, I picked up this. This is the Perfecting Primer. And it's like a yellowish colored bottle. So I picked that up. And then I also picked up another mask. This one is the pineapple and glycolic acid, whatever you pronounce that. And then I've also picked up this. Here's another hard candy mascara. And it's in the red color now. Instead of like the purple like last time. Yeah, this is like a dark burgundy, bold color. And I used these in the past. When they sell hard candy at Walmart, these are good. So I got that one. Then I picked up this really pretty liquid color. I believe this is a lip color. It's like a nude, natural, golden color. It's a light color. So I picked that up. And then I also picked up this. I believe this is a lip liner. It says gel lip color. Okay, so it looks like this. It's from Wet n Wild. Let me see. It says 2-in-1. It says 1 gel, something like that. So I got that. And then I found these two. I picked up 2 boxes. This is from Olive Garden. And this is the big box is Italian. And it says 3. Okay, so they're 3 individual cups of salad dressing. So if you like the Italian dressing, a lot of people do on YouTube. I heard a lot of people talk about the Olive Garden one. Italian dressing. You get 3 little cups in here. That's not bad. You know, and you could pop it on some salad or whatever. You can even marinate your food with it. It's so good. So, yeah, here's the other box. So, like I said, I picked up 2 boxes of the Olive Garden Italian cups of dressing. And that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Now let's go for Burlington Coat Factory. I have this box right here. I bought these Purifying foot pads. So this is Purifying foot pads. You get 10 of them in the box. It says Purify Your Feet. So I got this one at Burlington. This is all from Burlington now, guys. And then also at Burlington, I picked up these Purifying foot pads. And this is the green box. And they're all different herbs or whatever's in the little things. And these do work. These definitely do work. I used foot pads in the past. They do work. And then I got the purple box. This is the Sleep Well foot pads. And I've been having problems sleeping I got things on my mind. Sometimes I sleep. Most of the time I don't. So I've been having problems with sleeping lately. So this is the Sleep Well foot pads. So, yeah, I figured I'll give those a try. These were at Burlington. Then also at Burlington, I found this cute. It's extremely, extremely thick. And it's got like a cushion in it. It's got a net. And right here, guys, Messico. So I got the Messico bag. I got that at Burlington. And then also at Burlington, I picked up these long black pants for my son. They're like sweatpants. Got like the pockets. They're long. They're just simple men's long pants. So I got my son those. Then I got my son this shirt. It's all black. And it's like Tokyo. You see the Japanese design? They're all over. It's really nice. It looks like that. Then this is the front. It's got the, Chinese logo. It could be Chinese too, but they have a lot of Tokyo stuff. You see the dragon. Love this stuff. So I got him that. Then I also got my son this shirt. It's all black with a red, Chinese symbols. Really love this shirt. Oh my God, it was so cute. Well, not for me, but for him to wear. So it's so nice. I like the front, the way it looks. Oops, let me see if I can open it. And the front's in bold yellow letters, Tokyo. But then you see the dragon, super nice. And then the bottom is Chinese letters again. Well, that's Japanese. Yeah, it's Japanese. Okay, now I see the symbols now. Okay. Japanese and Chinese are kind of similar, but I could tell it's Japanese. Okay. And I also know Korean's way different. So I got him that. Then I found this black silky shirt at Burlington. Nice. It says Duty, Honor, Country, U.S. Army. Got this for myself. Love the Army. My dad was in the Army. Yep. So that's it. That one. Then also at Burlington Co-Factory, I picked up this saffron and mint. I believe this is a facial cleanser. See if it zooms in. Yeah, it's a face wash. Saffron and mint. So I never tried that before. I did have a few more other stuff I put back, but that's what I picked up. And then I picked up this. This is for the scalp, I believe. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil. I think it's a hair treatment, something like that. So I got that one. And then also at Burlington, I picked up this big bottle right here of 7th generation. This is, it says it's one mission to protect our planets and water. And this one is, okay, lavender and citrus scent body wash. So it's a nice big heavy bottle. I picked that up at Burlington. Why does it look blurry all of a sudden? All right, then I picked up this one. This is a Micellar Rose Water Cleanser, a clarifying shampoo. And it has like a tip. And it's extremely thick, so this will be good for the scalp. And then I picked up this at Burlington. This one is the thicker, fuller conditioner. And it has like a horse right there, a different one. So I picked that up. That's a conditioner. And then I picked up this face wash. This is kale. Nope, it's not a face wash. That's a scrub. All right, cool. This is the face scrub. I never tried this one with kale. That sounds interesting. And then I picked up this bottle. Again, I already have this already. I have one upstairs stored. Here's another one. It's the Roots Energy Shampoo. And it says Niacin Strength Therapy. And it has like vegetables and like real good products for good hair growth. So I grabbed that. And that's it, guys. And then I ordered some Chinese food. So anyway, that's it. That's all I picked up at Burlington and Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. And I will talk to you guys later. Let me know if you ever tried any of these products. And I will talk to you guys later on. Bye.